Hello, it's Sticker again. So today I want to present you a new sticker. This is a UVDTF sticker. It's very special because of its effect that you can show you the people and customer about the 3D effect. And second, it's a transparent background. So you can put in any way you want, any product you want. It's help to highlight your product and your logo. Now I want to show you some showcase about how to use it. So the use case of this kind of product is that you can stick on your personal product, your personal stuff to customize. You can stick on the laptop, the cell phone, or you can stick on the food box, the lunch box. The second purpose is use it to highlight your company logo. You can put on the carton box, the packing box, or you can stick on the wooden box like this. Especially if you want to advertise your company, you can put it on the pen, or you can put it on the handbook. It would help you to minimize your cost. You can buy the blank product and customize with our sticker. I did show you some kind of use case of this kind of sticker. So if you want to order, just let me know. This one is have a minimum order of one piece of paper of A4 paper. So if you want to buy with the large quantity, just let us know and we have a special discount for the bulk order. Thank you.